Today we're talking about the Derila Ergo Pillow and whether it actually helps while sleeping or if it's just another viral pillow trend in 2026. Because honestly, this pillow exploded online recently, especially on TikTok, YouTube, and sleep-related ads. And a lot of people are asking the same question. Does this thing actually improve sleep, or is it just smart marketing? So in this video, I'm going to break down what the Derila Ergo Pillow is, what real users are saying, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth trying. First, what is the Derila Ergo Pillow? The Derila Ergo is an ergonomic memory foam pillow designed to support the neck and spine while sleeping. It uses a butterfly-style contour shape meant to keep your head and neck in a more natural sleeping position. The company claims it may help with neck pain, sleep posture, snoring, shoulder tension, and overall sleep quality. Now, honestly, this is why the pillow became so popular online. Because millions of people wake up with neck stiffness, tight shoulders, or poor sleep posture, and many are looking for alternatives to regular flat pillows. Now let's talk about what people actually say after using it, because reviews online are honestly pretty mixed. Some users say they noticed less neck tension, better sleep posture, and reduced stiffness after about 1 or 2 weeks of adjustment. A lot of side sleepers especially seem to like the firmer neck support compared to softer traditional pillows. Now, another thing people mention, the pillow keeps its shape better than cheaper standard pillows, because the memory foam is much firmer and more structured than normal stuffing pillows. But let's be honest for a second. This is not a miracle pillow. And honestly, this is where some people get disappointed, because many ads online make it sound like the pillow instantly fixes sleep problems overnight. But most realistic reviews say there's usually an adjustment period first. Some users even report temporary discomfort during the first few nights, especially if they were previously using very soft pillows. Now, another important thing, this pillow may not work equally well for every sleeping position. Many reviews suggest side sleepers and back sleepers benefit the most, but some stomach sleepers feel the pillow sits too high or too firm. Now let's talk about the scam concerns. Because honestly, this comes up a lot online. From what most reviews show, the pillow itself appears to be a real product, not a fake product. However, many complaints online focus more on aggressive marketing upsells during checkout, shipping confusion, or refund frustrations rather than the actual pillow itself. And honestly, that's an important distinction, because some people confuse frustrating ordering experiences with the product being completely fake. Now, another thing worth mentioning, the Derila Ergo Pillow is still basically a support pillow, not a medical treatment. So, if somebody has serious chronic pain, sleep apnea, or spinal issues, a pillow alone probably will not magically solve everything. Now, let's be honest for a second. The people who seem happiest with this pillow are usually side sleepers, people with mild neck stiffness, desk workers, and people wanting firmer neck support. But people expecting life-changing medical results may end up disappointed. So to wrap this up, the Derila Ergo Pillow does appear to be a real ergonomic memory foam pillow with many positive user reviews. And some people genuinely report better neck support, improved sleep posture, and less morning stiffness after adjusting to it. But honestly, it's probably not the magical overnight solution that some ads make it seem like. And results depend heavily on your sleeping position, body type, comfort preference, and expectations. So if you decide to try it, Just remember to give your body time to adjust and buy carefully, because there are many copies and resellers online. See